Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need permissions and the exact Sharepoint list ready. Once confirmed, open Power Automate and choose Create. Select Automated Cloud Flow and name it, then pick the trigger when an item is created or when an item is created or modified depending on your need. Make sure to select the correct site address and list name in the trigger fields so the flow targets the right list. You're starting the live connection now, so verify columns appear in dynamic content before moving on. Once the trigger is set, add a Get Item action if you need full column values, or proceed to actions like Condition, Update Item, or Send an email. Map Sharepoint columns with dynamic content. Make sure Choice, Person, and Lookup fields are handled with their correct subproperties such as email or ID. For complex JSON or arrays, use Compose and Parse JSON to extract values. Make sure to add error handling paths and set concurrency control if multiple updates may collide. You're at the finish line. Save the flow and run tests using actual list items to validate behavior. Inspect the run history, expand trigger and action details, and examine inputs and outputs to confirm field mappings. If it fails, check permission scopes, site URL accuracy, and column internal names. Those are frequent culprits. Once tests pass, schedule or enable the flow. If loops or duplicate triggers occur, adjust trigger conditions and concurrency control to prevent unintended repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.